also achieved recognition as the recipient of the 2012 Bill Barber Award for Showmanship and the 2020 Art Scholl Memorial Award for Showmanship. Matt Younkin started flying at the tender age of 14 in a Piper J3 Cub, and on his 16th birthday, Matt soloed his grandpa's 1928 travel airplane. Today, this gentleman has flown 100 different types of airplanes, including the Boeing B-29.